Hello guys and welcome back to another Robot Squad video. So today we'll be making a chatbot in Python. So normally chatbots you might have seen in the various websites. We will make one for ourselves on our command prompt. So if you were born before the 2000s, then you might be familiar with an older form of these chatbots, initial stages for which were used in DOS. They used to use if and else statement, but the one which we are going to use, it uses AI. It uses artificial intelligence to generate its response based on what you are speaking. So let's get started. First things first, we are supposed to install a module called Chatterbot. So one problem I have noticed with Chatterbot API is that the Spacey module, which is a requirement in Chatterbot, is having issues while installing in Python. So to avoid that, I will include a .wheel file in the description of this video, from where you can download the .wheel file and download Spacey from there. So once we have Chatterbot installed, we can get started with the next steps. So let's create the file. So now we'll import Chatterbot and we'll import, and from Chatterbot we'll separately chatterbot.training. So this is going to have the training. So first we have initialized the chatbot over here. I have made a mistake. I'm supposed to, from chatterbot, supposed to import the class chatter. So the initialization supposed to be chatbot. Yeah. Further, we are going to create a trainer for the chatbot, which will train the chatbot before it is accessed by the user. So we are going to chatbot corpus trainer, and we are going to pass in a chatbot. Next, we are going to specify what we are going to train it in. So trainer.train, and for this I'm actually going to copy and paste some code I have already written. I'm just going to take this and I'm just going to copy this, and I'm just going to paste it over here. This is going to train the chatbot to respond to English greetings and English conversation. And now our chatbot is ready to get its responses. So we are going to start a while true loop, and we are going to take an input from the user. So text is equal to input user if user if text is equal to quit and break, else we are going to pass the input and pass it into a chatbot. So chatbot dot get response text, and now we can just print this response. Print it out as bot. I suppose that should be it. It is very easy to create chatbot in Python, as we can see. And now let's test this out. Run the Python file. As we can see, it is training the bot. It is going to always train the bot before running. And now we can run the app. So hey there. As we can see, the bot is not perfect, but as we continue talking to it, since it's an AI application, it gets better each time. So also we can, of course, train it for more, train it with much better training sets instead of these. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.